how can I improve my vocab? You're not going to like the answer. If we're talking about words and context questions, there's strategy that you want to embrace, and I teach that in my courses and in my videos, so definitely watch those. But if you're talking about actually actually learning new words, the best thing that you can do is to read a lot, like for many years. So it's not really a quick fix situation. There's definitely options of studying flashcards, and there's been mixed results. I would say if you're planning on studying for the SAT for at least 6 months, flashcards can definitely be useful, because there are a lot of words that, well, there's just so many of them, but there are a handful of words that, might show up on the SAT. Even if it's not in a words and context question, they might show up in reading questions, and that way you actually understand them. But it feels like it's not the best use of your time, because you don't know which words are going to show up. And if you happen to memorize all of these vocabulary words and then none of them show up, like, how much time did you waste, right? So my honest advice for words and context is to learn the strategy. If you're going to memorize anything, memorize word roots, prefixes, and suffixes. But other than that, focus your time elsewhere, because vocabulary is probably the worst way to spend your time.